iptal et. Ulan yürüyün bul abi ya. Böyle olmaz ya. Hı?
Hello friends, how are you? Today we're trying something small actually, like we didn't plan a big thing, so we decided like it was a nice weather and everything, and we just decided to have some chicken with us, chicken wing. We try to do like chicken wings, like hot wings, but it's on grill. Like I mean it's in Europe that you do it in deep fried, but we do it on grill in Turkey. So this is things I want to use, like small things, but it's just like as I make days go, and I have a couple of friends with me, so we're just gonna do some chicken wings and we want to share with you, so enjoy watching. Thank you. Yes, we're putting our chicken wings on skewer now, as you see guys. Telinmiş, gördün mü? Still making holes on chicken and on my gloves, guys. Look at this. Fuck it. Sorry, I apologize my language. Anyway, it's not gonna be casted this. But anyway, it's like accident happens all the time. As my producer always tell me to talk, do something, say something while you're doing something. But I don't know what I'm saying now. But anyway, try to make guys are happy around here. And there's the Yilmaz, there's Vedat, Russian Duder. These are the guys like I'm dealing with here. Unfortunately, all will be fine. Ben bir şey demiyorum ha.
Başla.
Hi guys, how are you?
Hay guys deme ya.
Hi guys, I'm saying this, you know why? Because my producer doesn't like it. He tell me to not tell hi guys. I'm saying one more time, hi guys. Anyway, never mind. So we're on the way, almost done with our chickens are on skewer. And the grill is getting ready there. And Mr. Vedat sitting with us here and checking his phone. And he's my good friend. Hi Vedat, say hello to camera please.
Hi.
Yilmaz, you too.
Hello.
You see these guys here? They are my best friends. I'm kidding. They're about to be my good friends. Çekiyor musun? Şu şişme. Yes, guys, you see that? Our wings are on the grill. It's getting ready. We put green pepper and cherry tomatoes as well on the side. It's gonna be cooked. As I say, like we didn't plan it, but we decided really it's a good day and let's go out and have some fun. And we did that, and we want to just share this with you. I hope you're gonna enjoy it as much as we're enjoying it, as I say. And I apologize that you cannot be here. But I'm telling you, it's not hard to do these things are. We just show you how to do. Just follow our footsteps and you can have the same things. Thank you watching again. Yes, we just turned our wings on the other side. We want to do slow cook. I don't want to burn them. It's gonna be like taking some time, but end of the grilling will be really nice and juicy, tasty wings are. Normal yani değil mi?
Senin abi.
Bir dakika durun şunun sesini çık. Allah şunu çekiyor dur.
Yes, as you see guys, it's cooking very well. Just keep turning around. Don't want them to get burned. I'm gonna have a like slow, juicy cook, nice chicken wings. Oh my hands! Oh God! Burn it! Burn it! Burn it! Yeah. Dur lan. Şimdi Vedat başladı. Çek. Vedat
Hayır, oradan değil
çekimleri.
oradan. Şuradan çekiver de. Olmuş be. Manyak olacak ha. Ne olacak?
Vedat nereye gitti?
Evet, bir şey çeviriyor mu? Değil mi? Bunlar gibi oldu abi. Bunlar çevirelim. İşte abi.
Çekiyor musun? Yes guys, you see that? I'm gonna put my breads over. I just want to have a like smoky flavor taste on my breads. Really, afterwards that will be very tasty. Look at this, it's very nice. Wow, Turkish bread. Some of you probably know and tasted. These are really very tasty. Juicy.
Başla.
Hi guys, now is my stuff is ready. Look at this, beautiful red, so sweet looking, juicy looking wings are ready. I will put it over the bread. Look at those. Oh, sweet.
Al.
Al. Yes. Tam dursun
Yo yanlış onu al. Al abi al yanlış.
Fotoğrafını göstereyim o zaman. Alright. Look at this guys. How beautiful. Gorgeous. Really. Very nice. I know some of you will be hating me, as I always say that, really. But what can I do guys? I mean, this is what we like and we like to share with you. Yes, last one. The last one is in. Oh, look at those guys. Wow. Wow, look at this. Very beautiful. Very nicely done. Green pepper. Yeah, on grill it. Finally, tomatoes as well. Look at this. Very beautiful guys. Look at these are. Oh my God. So juicy and nice. Smells beautiful. So our chicken wings are ready now. And finally, I want to try and tell how it is. Oh, looking gorgeous guys. Look at this. Beautiful and really juicy. Wow. I'm telling you, this is really best. I tell you this chicken wing was really standing on the sauce for some time. The flavor of that spices and everything in this chicken right now. Beautiful. Thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, thumbs up. If you like to comment it, just write down below. We will like the answer back. Keep eating my wings. See you later. Bye bye.